Her memory. Goofball Island?
Riley's versions of personality, they're all down. Oh,
स्टार्ट करे.
this is bad.
We can fix this. We just have to get back to headquarters, plug the core memories in, and Riley will be back to normal.
Oh, Riley has no core memories, no personality islands, and no...
What is it?
You're not in headquarters. Without you, Riley can't be happy. We gotta get you back up there.
I'm coming, Riley.
So, as it turns out, the green trash can is not recycling. It's for greens, like compost and eggshells. And the blue one is recycling. And the black one is...
Riley's acting so weird. Why is she acting so weird?
What do you expect? All the islands are down.
Joy would know what to do.
That's it. Until she gets back, we just do what Joy would do.
Great idea. Anger, fear, disgust. How are we supposed to be happy?
Hey, Riley, I've got good news. I found a junior hockey league right here in San Francisco. And get this, tryouts are tomorrow after school. What luck, right?
Hockey.
Uh-oh, what do we do?
Guys, here, you pretend to be Joy.
Won't it be great to be back out on the ice?
Oh, yeah. That sounds fantastic.
What was that? That wasn't anything like Joy.
Because I'm not Joy?
Yeah, no kidding.
Did you guys pick up on that?
Did.
Something's wrong.
Should we ask her?
Let's probe, but keep it subtle so she doesn't notice. So, how was the first day of school?
She's probing us.
I'm done. You pretend to be Joy.
Okay,
It was fine, I guess. I don't know. Oh, very smooth. That was just like Joy.
Something is definitely going on.
She's never acted like this before. What should we do?
We're gonna find out what's happening, but we'll need support. Signal the husband. Ahem.
With a nice pass over to Reed. Comes across that right.
Uh-oh, she's looking at us. What did she say?
What? Oh, sorry, sir. No one was listening.
Is it garbage night? We left the toilet seat up. What? What is it, woman? What?
He's making that stupid face again.
I could strangle him right now.
Signal him again.
So, Riley, how was school?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. For this, we gave up that Brazilian helicopter pilot?
Boo, I'll be Joy.
School was great, all right?
Riley, is everything okay?
Sir, she just rolled her eyes at us.
What is her deal? All right, make a show of force. I don't want to have to put the foot down.
No, not the foot.
Riley, I do not like this new attitude.
Oh, I'll show you attitude. No. Stay happy.
What is your problem? Just leave me alone.
Sir, reporting high levels of sass.
Take it to DEFCON 2.
You heard that, gentlemen? DEFCON 2.
Listen, young lady, I don't know where this disrespectful attitude came from.
You want a piece of this, Pops? Come and get it.
Yeah, well...
Here it comes. Prepare the foot.
Keys to safety position. Ready to launch on your command, sir.
Just shut up!
Fire!
That's it. Go to your room. Now.
Foot is down. The foot is down.
Good job, gentlemen. That could have been a disaster.
Well, that was a disaster.
Come, fly with me, Gachi.
Shall we?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna walk out there on that?
It's the quickest way back.
But it's right over the memory dump. If we fall, we'll be forgotten forever.
We have to do this for Riley. Just follow my footsteps. Not that high. It's totally fine.
Hey. So, things got a little out of hand downstairs. You want to talk about it?
Look at.
Come on.
Where's my happy girl?
Monkey.
Oh, he's trying to start up goofball.
Look at. This is called
we talk later?
Signum function.
We have a major
Pay
problem.
attention.
Joy, where are you?
We lost Goofball Island. That means
It
she
is
can lose
written as
Friendship Island.
SGN of X,
You can
where
right, Joy?
it is written as SGN of X,
But we have to try.
SGN.
Come on.
That SGN's abbreviation is
Which
signum
is a
function.
good thing when you think about it,
See,
because nothing else bad can happen while she's asleep. We'll be
f
back to
of
headquarters before she
x
wakes
is
up. We'll
equal
just go
to
across Friendship Island.
SGN of X is equal
Oh,
to,
we'll never make
No,
it.
no, 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 no,
it
don't.
is defined as mod x by
Oh,
x,
sadness, we don't have time for this.
and this is defined as
Take the scenic route.
minus
You
1,
could get lost in there.
Think positive.
0,
I'm positive you will get
1,
That's
x greater than 0.
an endless warrant of corridors and shelves. I read about
This
it in
SGN of x stands for signum of x, like
So you know the way back to headquarters.
this is read as
You are my map.
f of
So
x.
lead on, my map. Show me where
This
to
is
go.
read as
Fractional part of X.
Fractional part of X.
Give me a few.
and this is read as
Which way? Left?
SGN of x,
Go left. They said left.
or it is read as signum of x. It is read as signum of
Here we
x.
go. We'll be back to headquarters before morning.
How this is defined?
Easy. This is working.
No. It is defined this way.
Working. Are we
Clearly, this is obvious. Remember, what is function ka definition? Signum of x definition. Mod x by x. In this, put x is equal to 1. What do you get now?
Don't touch. Remember, if you touch them, they stay
X is
still.
equal to 2.
I won't. Starting now.
X equal to 3.
Mind workers.
X equal to 4.
phone numbers? We don't need all these.
X equal to 20, 20.
I need to find Friendship Island.
4 years of piano lessons.
Yeah, it looks pretty faded.
You know what?
For all positive real numbers,
U.S.
it is
president,
1. Remember,
Washington, Lincoln, and
this
the
is simply modulus of 1.
Those away. Those are perfectly good
That is
memories.
the names of every cutie pie princess doll.
Yes, that is critical.
Modulus of 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Modulus of 2 is 2. 2 by 2, 1. So on.
Hey, bring those back.
They're in the dump. Nothing
So
comes
for
back.
all positive real numbers, it will give you 1.
Happens to the best of them.
Yeah, except
What
for this
about
one.
negative
This
numbers?
one will never fade.
Put minus 7.
The song from the
Modulus of minus 7 by minus 7.
Over and over again, like a
What is modulus of minus 7? Minus of minus 7 by minus 7. 7 by minus 7. Minus 1. Remember, modulus function says number inside negative raha, number inside negative raha. To make it positive, multiply it by minus sign. Remember, that's a basic definition of modulus function. So minus of minus 7 plus 7 by minus 7 will give you minus 1. Put minus 9. Modulus of minus 9 by minus 9. Number inside negative. So once you open modulus bracket, number inside negative. Once you open modulus bracket, it will be multiplied by minus sign. So what does it gives you? Minus of minus 9 by minus 9. 9 by minus 9 minus. So what is this function doing? It takes positive numbers. It takes positive numbers, gives you 1, gives you 1, gives you 1. It takes negative numbers. It takes negative numbers, gives you minus 1, gives you minus 1, gives you minus 1. For 0, it is anyhow 0. That is, what is the domain of this function? This function is accepting all real numbers. Therefore, domain is R. What about the range? It is giving you only 3 numbers. It is giving you only 3 numbers. What are they? 1, minus 1, 0. 1, minus 1, 0. That is, what is the range here? 0, comma. Set. This November. This is not open interval or closed interval. It is set containing three numbers called 1, minus 1, 0. How is the graph of this function? For 1 it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1. A line parallel to x-axis. Remember, it is this line, this line, this line, which is parallel to x-axis. Remember, this line does not touch y-axis. Let this line of mine be y-axis. This line does not touch y-axis. To show that by means of a figure, what we do is we put a hole. Similarly, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1 does not touch y-axis. This line does not touch y-axis, does not touch y-axis. We show that by means of putting a hole here, hole here. For 0 it is 0, for 0 it is 0, therefore a dot. A dot at 0, positive numbers 1, negative numbers minus 1. This is minus 1, this is 1. What is this function trying to say? SGN of x minus 3 is equals to dash. I am giving one example. Look here. What will be SGN of x minus 3? Remember, what is SGN of x? SGN of x minus 1 when x is less than 0. What is this? Minus 1 when x minus 3 is less than 0. Next, 0 when x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, 1 when x minus 3 greater than 0. So, what will be SGN of x minus 3 or signum of x minus 3? Minus 1, x less than 3, 0, x is equal to 3, 1, send 3 other side, x greater than 3. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
At 0, it will be 0 by 0, right? At 0, if we put x equal to 0 there.
No. Definition says you take it as 0. If you put 0, it will give you 0 by 0. You're correct. I think Saman Numer, who is this? Abdul Rahim.
Muhammad Junaid, sir.
Muhammad Junaid. Junaid, you are correct. For 0, it will become 0 by 0. But definition says, don't do that. You take it as 0.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Definition says, at 0, it is 0 by 0. Therefore, don't do that. You take it as 0.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I complete?
Sir, first one done, sir.
Should I complete? What
No,
is this
sir, we
one?
are doing, sir.
1. Sorry, when it is -1,
X square plus 7x plus 12 is less than 0.
when it is 0,
X square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0.
when it is 1,
X square plus 7x plus 12 greater than 0.
no. What are the factors of x square plus 7x plus 12?
5 and
Somebody
2.
please mute your mic. X plus 4 into x plus 3. Factors are -3 and -4. Number line pay. What's the least? Can you complete this now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. -1 for x belongs to open interval.
When it is -1, when it is negative,
0 for x
when it is
equal to
negative,
-4 comma minus.
when it is
X belongs
negative,
to -4 comma 3 open interval.
when it is negative, when it is -1, when x belongs to -4 comma -3. Next one. Sorry, 0. When it is 0, when it is 0, when x equal to -4 comma -3, when it is 1,
Minus infinity comma -4 union of infinity. -3 comma
minus
infinity.
infinity to -4 union, -3 to infinity. Write the last one.
Sir, for x is equal to 0, we can write a close bracket -4 comma -3 also, no, sir?
Close bracket means real numbers inside will also come. क्या वो?
Yes, sir.
पिक्चर का स्टोरी पूरा सुन के, पिक्चर पूरा देख के, द एंड गिरने के बाद कोई पूछा कहते क्या पूछा मालूम? कि पिक्चर का हीरो कौन है, विलन कौन है? Next one.
The Hessian of x square plus 1 equal to 1, x belongs to R.
What is this one? -1 when x square plus 1 less than 0. 0 when x square plus 1 equal to 0. 1 when x square plus 1 greater than 0. Is first one possible? No. X square plus 1 can never be less than 0. Is second one possible?
No.
Is third one possible? Yes. And x square plus 1 is greater than 0 for how many real numbers? All real numbers. Since x square plus 1 is greater than 0 for all x belonging to R. बच्चे लोग, what will be signum of x square plus 1 is 1 for all x belonging to R. Next,
Sir,
Sunro,
hello.
bolo. बच्चे लोग, what happens when x plus 3 will cancel off? What remains? Can you tell me what is the range of the function?
All real numbers.
No. A beautiful logic. If it takes 3, it is not taking minus 3. What is finally left over? What is finally left over? Bolo man, what is finally left over? X minus 3. If it takes minus 3, what value it gives you? Agreed? If it takes minus 3, it will give you minus 6. minus 3 लेगा तो minus 6 देगा. minus 3 लेगा तो minus 6 देगा. minus 3 नहीं ले रहा, तो क्या नहीं देगा? minus 6. If it accepts minus 3, gives you minus 6. It is not accepting minus 3, so it cannot give you minus 6. Therefore, what is the range of this function? All real numbers, exception minus 6. Domain and range of same logic.
All real numbers minus 10. Range.
Yes, sir. Range is all real numbers excluding 10.
What's the domain? What's the domain?
All real numbers.
Real numbers excluding 5.
Exception 5. How do you write f of x? X plus 5 into x minus 5. हम किसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं? If it takes 5, gives you 10. Takes 5, gives you 10. Takes 5, gives you 10. Not taking 5. So
5 or minus 10.
Therefore, what's the range?
All real numbers except 5.
Exception 10, man.
Exception 10, sir.
Sorry, 10, sir.
Pay attention. Domain and range of I will do this problem. 2 more problems I will give. Same type, you only do. You only do. You only do. But this problem you listen. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
I want full attention, all of you, to the board. Two things. This we haven't discussed. We'll be discussing this in course of time, maybe next week. In course of time, not after 2 months and 3 months. Next week we'll discuss. The logic here is f is a function from A to B. F is bijective. Then f inverse is a function from B to A. F inverse is also bijective. Remember, these two dots are read as F. F is A. Those two dots stands for is A. F is a function from A arrow B, stands for A to B. Details next week. Look here. What does it A and B stands for? A is the domain, B is the range. Now B is the domain, A is the range. What do you infer from this? What do you infer from this? F ka domain. What do you infer from this?
Domain and range are same.
F ka domain is F inverse ka
Range.
F inverse ka domain. F inverse ka domain is F ka. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No. What is the inverse function definition? If f of x is equal to y, then x equal to f inverse y. This is the definition of an what? Inverse space first name. Definition of an what? Inverse of a function. Inverse of a is a logic. Sir,
Sir.
we need more clarity on this. Sir, we need more clarity on this. That I'll give you next week. Now look at the method and procedure. Call the given prop. What's the domain first of all? F of x is equal
All
to
real numbers except 7/5.
2x plus 3 by 5x minus 7. What's the domain? All real numbers exception
7/5.
7/5. Look at the procedure. Call this as y. Let 2x plus 3 by 5x minus 7. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग agreed? Cross multiply करो. Cross multiply करो. 5xy minus 7y. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bring x here. What will I get? 5xy minus 2x. Send y the other side. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
What I can take common?
X.
5y minus 2. What is your x? 3 plus 7y by 5y minus 2. X क्या है? F inverse y. So this is the inverse function. Inverse का domain f का क्या होगा? f का क्या होगा?
Range.
UF का domain F का क्या होगा? Range. Up. This will accept all real numbers. What is the only number this does not accept?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Therefore, that is F inverse का domain is बोलो मैम all real numbers exception
2 by
बोलो
2 by 5.
this acts as what?
Range of f.
Range of f.
Fx.
That is, what's the range? All real numbers exception 2 by 5. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If there is some gap left over, still some more explanation, still some more clarity required, that I'll give you next week. Write this for the time being. Chalo.
Sir,
बोलो
what is bijective, sir?
बाद में बोला ना, a function which is both 1 1 and
Bilal Ahmed, sir.
Changed name, sir, again.
Roman, sir.
why you are sharing password with him, man? It is your classmates only are doing it. How does he know the password? Somebody from your class is sharing. I'm changing password every day. Even then somebody is entering into the class, means one of you is sharing your passwords. Does not happen with senior class. Only happens with your class. ये हर क्लास में होगा या ये फैसिलिटी मैथ्स क्लास को है?
क्लास सर.
हाँ?
Every class sir.
Should not share passwords man. फिर आया.
No sir.
Somebody who is genuinely interested to listen, you share, no problem.
Sir, don't have RHS.
I'm not going to solve them. You give the answer, I'll write. Anyhow, I'm writing the most toughest one. Toughest one is domain. Toughest one is domain. Domain is all real numbers exception 8/3. Tough वाला मैं कर दिया. Easy वाला आप करो. Practice, jaldi. Don't expect me to solve and show you. I've already done. I'll just write the answers first.
Sir, first one range is all real numbers except 4/3.
It's all real numbers minus 4/3.
4x minus 5y. 3xy minus 8y is equal to x common 3y minus 4, 8y minus 5. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
8y minus 5y. Range is all real numbers exception. Next one. Shall I?
Domain is all real numbers except minus 4/5. Range is all real numbers except 7/5.
Domain is all real numbers exception -4/5. Range बोलो.
All real numbers -7/5.
All real numbers -7/5.
The next one answer is range is all real numbers minus a by c. Domain is all real numbers minus of b by c.
What's the range? All real numbers exception
7/5.
Nalgonda answer అయిపోయింది.
Warangal sir.
Warangal. Chalo. Next. Domain is all real numbers exception
Minus d by c.
Minus d by c.
Range is all real numbers exception a by c.
All real numbers exception
a by c.
Minus a by c.
हाँ यहाँ पर भी प्लस है माइनस है, बी केयरफुल.
प्लस है सर वहाँ पे.
यहाँ पर
Plus sir.
प्लस है माइनस है.
माइनस
प्लस है सर. प्लस है.
माइनस है.
Plus है सर.
प्लस है सर.
Plus sir.
by c.
प्लस और माइनस डिसाइड करने.
Yes sir.
सर माइनस.
Plus sir.
सर ओके सर प्लस सर. माइनस.
Warangal.
Yes sir.
Your name?
Muhammad Abid.
Muhammad Abid. My elder son is studying in NIT Warangal. He is in second year EEE. నేను వరంగల్ వస్తా ఉంటా రెగ్యులర్ గా. Look here. Now these two methods clubbed. First method, second method. First method was x square minus 4 by x minus 2 wala method. Second method is 5x plus 7 by 3x plus 8. These two methods are clubbed now. And जो आंसर बोलता है, I will not use any adjectives. This we call in Hindi or in Hyderabadi Bhasha, in Hyderabadi language, kisme, in Hyderabadi language, Hyderabadi terms, kisme, kitna, hai, dam. I want the answer for this. It is a mixture of the two methods which you have learned so far today. Both the methods are mixed. Both the methods are clubbed. Both the methods are combined. Come on.
Sir, 1 sir. Yes sir. All real numbers minus 1.
Yes sir, all real number
Sir, all real numbers minus
मैं बोल रहा हूँ फिर भी वही कर रहा है. Please use common sense. थोड़ा दिमाग लड़ाओ. All real numbers minus 1 वो किसका है? वो किसका कंट्रीब्यूशन है? -2 का कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो. एक का कंट्रीब्यूशन भूल जा रहे आप.
Sir, all real number minus half and 1.
Minus half and 1. Who is this?
Hamad sir.
Hamad, very good. Minus half and 1. You're correct, man. Excellent. Keep it up. Top class. Shabash. बढ़िया. बढ़िया बढ़िया. हेलो. मशीन है. मशीन का नाम क्या है? सुन रहे हो? 0 डाले तो क्या नहीं देगा? It is not taking 0. Will not give you minus half. Not taking -2 will not give you 1. I think you understood what I am trying to say. This is absolutely बढ़िया figure from this for this problem. 0 लेगा तो minus half देगा. 0 नहीं ले रहा तो minus half नहीं देगा. Why? What is your function? What is your function? बोलो. X square minus x by x into x plus 2. न्यूमरेटर से भी x कॉमन ले लो, क्या देगा? What's the domain? बोलो जी. All real numbers exception
-2.
0 and minus. You will cancel off x. What is f of x now? X minus 1 by x plus 2. Now think. 0 लेगा तो क्या देगा? If it takes -2. It gives you minus half. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
But is it taking 0?
No.
No. If you put 0, what value you get? Minus half. Therefore, range में से or I cannot say range. Not taking 0. Not taking what? 0. Cannot give what?
Minus half.
Not taking 0 cannot give you minus half. Now what is the domain? It is not taking -2. It cannot take -2. If it does not take -2, what is the number it cannot give? Calculate that. How do you calculate? xy plus 2y x into y minus 1. Correct? X into y minus 1 minus 1 minus 2y. What is x? 1 plus 2y by, send the minus sign here, 1 minus y. So cannot give you what? Cannot give you what? 1. Therefore, what's the range? Range is all real numbers, exception minus half. In this diagram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It is mixture of both the methods. यहाँ पे 1 नहीं लेगा ना?
यस सर यस
इससे पहले वही ना, इससे पहले वही करे ना जी, फिर वही क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। जहीरुद्दीन अदनान।
यस सर
हाँ, वही 1 नहीं लेगा ना?
यस सर
Can I clear this off? I repeat, can I clear this off?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Factors for numerator? Am I correct? Factors for numerator, denominator, correct? What's your plus 6 then? Because it cut jana. So what's the numerator? What it means? If it takes 2, what does it gives you? Since x not equal to 2, f of x not equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3. 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3. What is it? Minus 5. Now call this as y. Complete. Answer man.
Range is all real numbers excluding 1 and minus 5.
xy minus
Minus
3y.
5.
X common man. Y minus 1. 3y plus 3. Correct? 3y plus 3 by y minus 1. So y not equal to 1. So what's the range? All real numbers exception minus 5 and look here. You are ready? I'll start. I have to do some explanation. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes,
Look here. First we discussed 2x plus 3 by 5x minus 7 range. In what form is this? Linear by linear. Next we discussed quadratic by quadratic. Correct? Eh? Quadratic by quadratic. But they have one common factor. Agreed? Now we will look at quadratic by quadratic where there is no factor. यहाँ पे एक cancel हो जा रहा. Even though it was quadratic by quadratic was getting reduced to quadratic by quadratic was getting reduced to linear by linear. Linear means degree 1. Quadratic by quadratic was getting reduced to linear by linear. Now there is no reduction. In such a case, what you should do? Pay attention. This you do in quadratic equations. In fact, this you read in detail in second year also. This you read in second year. Functions may first year. This you read in functions because we are preparing for JEE, mains, advanced and BITSAT. Generally, this should be read in second year. Look here. Range of x square denominator has no factors because x square plus x plus 1 is always positive. Domain of the function is R. In fact, once there is no cancellation, any cancellation here? No. Once there is no cancellation of domains, का मतलब ही नहीं है. Directly, how to attack problem of this type? Pay attention. X square minus x plus 1 by, call this as y. Call this as y. Agreed? Can I go about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I continue?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look here. Cross multiply. What does it gives you? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? X square common. क्या देगा? Y minus 1. Bring it here. X common. क्या देगा?
Yes, sir.
Since x is real, discriminant of the equation greater than or equal to 0. What do you mean by discriminant? What do you mean by
Square
discriminant?
minus 4ac.
Bachalo, what is your A here?
Y minus
Bachalo, what is your A? Y minus 1. What is your B?
y plus 1.
Y plus 1. What is your C?
Y minus
Minus 1.
What is your B square?
y plus 1 whole square.
4 A C greater than or equal to 0. Every time it will not happen, but this time you should expand this, you have to expand this and simplify. But you need not do that. There is an easy method means of expansion, expanding this and expanding this. Can anybody tell me that?
Adding 4 into y minus 1 into 4 both sides.
No. Anybody easy method? इसको
Sir,
expand.
adding y minus 1 whole square and subtracting.
क्या है?
Sir, adding y minus 1 whole square and subtracting.
क्या है?
Sir, we can send it outside, sir, that minus 4y, and then take its root.
Sure.
A minus b whole square.
Write the second term as 2 into y minus 1 whole square. What form is this? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Calculation simple नहीं है. Expand करने. Instead of expanding this. Isn't the calculation easy here? Yes. That's what I was asking. A plus b plus b. Tell me what is plus b? Plus 2 into A minus b minus 2 into. Bachalo, what's the first term? Bachalo, what's the first term? Bachalo, what's the first term? Is it 3y minus 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Second term?
Y plus 3.
Minus y plus, y plus 3. Minus 2y plus y. Minus y, is it plus 3?
Yes, sir.
Can I apply number line method? No. Coefficient must be positive. Take a negative sign. I am writing it as 3y minus 1 into minus of y minus 3. Now multiply by minus sign. 3y minus 1 into. Now number line. First one will become 0 at 1 by 3. Second one will become 0 at 3. Plot them on the number line. What's the least? Greatest? Positive, negative, positive. So where will y belongs to?
1 by 3, 3.
Y means
Range of
square plus 3. Y means x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Hello? This will be used in maxima, minima also later in calculus. What is the max of f of x? Max of f of x 3. Min of f
1
of
by
x.
3.
Min of f of x. Come on.
La mattina mi sono alzato per la ciao.
Somebody came, sir. Professor. Somebody came with name Professor, sir. Professor.
Ho trovato l'invaso, un partigiano.